Apple made some changes to its iPhone 17 Pro cases, and protection may be more necessary this year with Pro model's new aluminum body. Which one are you going to use on your new iPhone this year? Hi, this is David at TechWoven. Welcome to my channel. Do subscribe if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out iPhone's official cases for my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. The clear case, the silicone case, and the new TechWoven case. I've considered these cases many times over the years, and every time I end up preferring the silicone case. Stay tuned to see which one I like the most this year. They all come in the usual nice Apple packaging. Very satisfying to unbox every time. Inside the box, just the case and a simple document. Let's take a look at the clear case first. It looks quite different from the previous ones. Instead of the white MagSafe ring pattern, there's a big white rectangular block matching the new Pro Phone's Ceramic Shield 2 panel on the back. The Apple logo is lower on the case to match the one on the phone as well. It's still made of the same solid clear plastic material to show off the phone's color as before. It's strong and doesn't flex much. The button covers are all clear as well, except for the camera control button, which is white. Here's how it looks on my deep blue iPhone Pro Max. A very good fit as expected. The deep blue color shows through nicely. MagSafe is very strong. There's a raised edge around the bigger camera plateau to protect the cameras, and around the front mostly to protect the screen. I say mostly because the bottom of the phone is still not covered. It does make swiping up unobstructed, which is nice but gives up on protection, and there are no holes for the new Apple crossbody strap. Buttons are easy to press with good feedback. It's still more slippery to grab and hold than I prefer. It also needs frequent cleaning to keep the fingerprints and smudges away. Do you like the old MagSafe ring look or this new white block look? Share with us in the comments. Next, the silicone case. Apple kept it the same as before, and that's a good thing, since this has been the case of choice for me for many years. Comes in 6 different colors. I have the midnight color here. It's a bit darker blue than the purplish blue on the phone. The Apple logo is at its usual center location on the back. It's still rubbery soft and very comfortable to touch. The inside is even softer with the microfiber lining for more protection. Here's how it looks on the Blue Pro Max phone. Great fit again. Easy to grip and very comfortable to hold. MagSafe is just as strong. Raised edges around the screen and around the camera plateau for good protection. The bottom of the phone is also covered, unlike the clear case. There are new holes for Apple cross strap attachment. Buttons are all covered with the same silicone material except for the camera control, which is ceramic touch sensitive. Easy to press with good feedback. The only complaint I have about the silicone case is how the finger grease and dust tend to stick to it more easily. Here's the last one I used for about a year. It shows quite a bit of wear. Lastly, this year's new TechWoven case. Available in 5 colors. I have the blue one here. It's not the exact same shade of blue as the dark blue Pro Max. Similar to the silicone case, it's a darker muted blue, less purplish than the phone. It's made from a custom technical woven fabric. 100% recycled polyester, so it feels more like plastic rather than fabric. Zooming in shows there are multiple color yarns woven together on this blue case. On the inside, it's the same TechWoven material, a bit smoother it seems, but certainly not as soft as the microfiber material inside the silicone case. And the texture on the edge is a much finer and smoother one. Overall, it's not as soft and grippy as the silicone case, but the TechWoven texture makes it not slippery. Looks like it'd be more durable than the silicone case against wear and tear. We'll update in the comments after a few months if this is not the case. The Apple icon is also in the center spot on the back like the silicone case. The buttons are done in a different matted metal blue material, which looks and feels more premium than the other two cases. Here's how it looks on my Blue Pro Max iPhone. Very good fit as expected. MagSafe is just as strong like the others. There are raised edges all around the front and around the camera plateau, so the screen and the cameras are well protected. The metal buttons look sharp and give the most satisfying feedback and click when pressed. The bottom of the phone is covered, cutouts are perfectly aligned, and there are holes for the new crossbody strap. I'm curious how many people are getting the strap. Share with us in the comments if you are. Price-wise, the clear case and the silicone case are $49 US. The TechWoven case is $59, $10 more. Amazon has started discounting them, but not all the colors may be in stock. I'll put links in the description below. So, which case is for me this year? The clear case is the one for showing off iPhone's true color. I'm just not sure if I like the old white MagSafe ring look or the new blocky look. Probably neither. In any case, it's a bit too slippery for me, especially when the phone or my hands are wet. The silicone case continues to be the most grippy and comfortable to hold for me, but it attracts dust and shows wear over time. This year, I'm going to switch over and give the new TechWoven case a try. It does cost $10 more, but it has the best balance of grip and hopefully durability for me. We'll update in the comments if that's not the case. And again, I love how the metal buttons look and feel every time I press them. Which case will be on your new iPhone this year? What have been your experiences with them? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, do subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment.